Hey YouTube, I'm doing another review on this Winchester knife. I've had it for a while now, sharpened it a few times, and it seems to be doing okay. My only complaint is this one blade right here. This blade is so freaking hard to pull out. I've tried oiling it, and it just doesn't. It's just so hard to pull it out. But other than that, it's held up very good. I've carried it every day since I bought it. Use it at work, cutting open boxes.
I'm sorry about the mix-up. Problem is, we're gonna need some pictures of you so we can get started on the statue.
And I don't know why they put the Winchester logo upside down. Well, for me it's upside down. I would have preferred it the other way around. But it's been doing alright.
Dr. Crane, please, yeah?
Yes, this is Dr. Crane speaking.
Herr Brummel, may I say, it's quite an honor.
Yeah. They have your plate. They have. But I need you to describe your body.
Yes, Doctor.
6'1". Medium build, broad shoulders, sublimely proportioned.
Yeah, that's good, yeah. Before I order my
So far it's done good.
describe your, how do I say this, where you sit, yeah?
Oh, my posterior, yes.
And I got my video pal today, Timmy.
No, I didn't say that. And the order the big marble, please.
Could you please put Dr. Kaufman back on?
No, I have a better idea.
But it's done good.